Thailand, golden beaches kissed by turquoise waters, emerald rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see, towering limestone cliffs draped in lush greenery, and bustling cities pulsing with life and light. From the moment you step off the plane, you're greeted by a sensory overload. The air is thick with the scent of exotic spices and fragrant flowers. The streets are alive with the sounds of tuk-tuks honking, vendors hawking their wares, and monks chanting in ancient temples. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, Thailand has something to offer everyone. Trek through dense jungles teeming with wildlife. Dive into crystal-clear waters and explore vibrant coral reefs. Wander through ancient temples and soak up the spiritual atmosphere. Let's discover together why Thailand is often called the Land of Smiles. Our first stop takes us to the northern reaches of Thailand, to the summit of Doi Inthanon, the country's highest peak. Here, amidst the clouds, you'll find a landscape unlike any other. Towering pagodas pierce the sky, their golden spires glinting in the sunlight. Dense forests cloak the mountain slopes, their emerald hues stretching as far as the eye can see. The air is cool and crisp at this altitude, a welcome respite from the tropical heat below. As you wander through the misty trails, you'll feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. The only sounds are the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the distant rumble of waterfalls. The panoramic views are simply breathtaking. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply appreciate the beauty of the natural world, a visit to Doi Inthanon is an experience you won't soon forget. From the mountaintops, we descend into the heart of Khao National Park, where we find Cheow Lan Lake, a true natural wonder. Towering limestone cliffs rise dramatically from the emerald green waters, their sheer rock faces carved by centuries of erosion. Hundreds of small islands dot the lake's surface, each one a miniature jungle paradise just waiting to be explored. As you glide across the tranquil waters on a traditional longtail boat, you'll feel a sense of peace and serenity wash over you. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against the boat and the calls of exotic birds echoing through the air. Spend a night or two in a floating bungalow, perched precariously on the edge of the lake. Wake up to the sounds of nature and enjoy your morning coffee as the sun rises over the limestone cliffs. Cheow Lan Lake is a place to escape from the world, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. No trip to Thailand would be complete without a visit to the iconic Phi Phi Islands. Located off the coast of Krabi, these islands are what dreams are made of. Towering limestone cliffs jut out of the turquoise waters, their bases fringed by pristine white sand beaches. Hidden coves beckon you to explore, promising secluded swimming spots and breathtaking views. And the underwater world is just as stunning, with vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Hop on a longtail boat and cruise through Maya Bay, made famous by the movie The Beach. Snorkel or dive in the crystal-clear waters of Palay Lagoon surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. As the sun begins to set, find a spot on the beach and watch as the sky explodes in a riot of colors. The Phi Phi Islands are a paradise found, a place where you can forget your worries and simply embrace the beauty of the natural world. From the tranquil islands, we journey to the bustling metropolis of Bangkok, a city that never sleeps. The Chao Phraya River, affectionately known as the River of Kings, snakes its way through the heart of the city, offering a unique perspective on this vibrant metropolis. Take a long-tail boat ride along the river and watch as the city unfolds before your eyes. Marvel at the gleaming skyscrapers that pierce the sky, a testament to Thailand's economic growth. Catch a glimpse of daily life as you pass by traditional wooden houses on stilts. Visit Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, its towering spires adorned with colorful porcelain. Explore the Grand Palace, a sprawling complex of ornate buildings that once housed the Thai royal family. As the sun begins to set, hop on a river cruise and watch as the city lights twinkle to life. The Chao Phraya River is the lifeblood of Bangkok, connecting the city's past and present. Just a short distance from Bangkok lies Ayutthaya Historical Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into Thailand's glorious past. Once the capital of the Siamese Kingdom, Ayutthaya was a powerful and prosperous city, known for its impressive temples, palaces, and monuments. Today, the ruins of Ayutthaya stand as a testament to the city's former glory. Wander through the ancient temples, their crumbling walls adorned with intricate carvings and statues of Buddha. Marvel at the iconic Buddha head entwined in the roots of a banyan tree at Wat Mahathat. Ayutthaya Historical Park is a place to step back in time, to reflect on the ebb and flow of history, and to appreciate the enduring legacy of Thailand's rich cultural heritage. From the ancient city of Ayutthaya, we venture north once more, to the rolling hills and verdant valleys of northern Thailand. The rice terraces of northern Thailand are a sight to behold. Carved into the hillsides over generations, these emerald green steppes seem to stretch endlessly towards the horizon. Visit during the rainy season, when the terraces are flooded with water, transforming the landscape into a shimmering mirror that reflects the sky. Witness the back-breaking work of the local farmers as they plant and harvest their rice. Trek through the surrounding hills, passing by traditional villages where life continues much as it has for centuries. Interact with the friendly locals, their smiles as warm and welcoming as the Thai sun. The rice terraces of northern Thailand offer a glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing. The colors of culture floating markets. No trip to Thailand would be complete without experiencing the vibrant atmosphere of a floating market. These bustling hubs of commerce found throughout the country offer a unique glimpse into Thai culture and a feast for the senses. Imagine wooden boats laden with colorful fruits, vegetables, and flowers, their vendors hawking their wares in sing-song voices. Navigate the narrow canals in a long-tail boat, dodging other boats and vendors as you go. Barter for souvenirs, sample local delicacies, and soak up the lively atmosphere. The floating markets of Thailand are a photographer's paradise, a foodie's dream, and a cultural experience you won't soon forget. It's a place to immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of Thai life, and to embrace the chaos and charm that make this country so unique. Wildlife Encounters, Khao National Park. For a truly unforgettable wildlife experience, head to Khao National Park, one of the oldest rainforests in the world. This vast wilderness is home to a staggering array of flora and fauna, from towering trees draped in vines to elusive tigers and elephants. Embark on a jungle trek with an experienced guide and listen for the calls of gibbons echoing through the trees. Take a dip in a refreshing waterfall, surrounded by lush greenery. Explore the park's vast network of caves, home to stalactites and stalagmites that have formed over millennia. Spend a night or two in a jungle bungalow, listening to the sounds of the rainforest as you drift off to sleep. Khao National Park is a place to reconnect with the wild, to appreciate the biodiversity of our planet, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Beach Bliss. Sunset on Railay Beach. Our visual journey through Thailand culminates on the shores of Railay Beach, a true tropical paradise. Accessible only by boat, Railay is surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, pristine white sand beaches, and crystal-clear waters. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the hidden coves and lagoons that dot the coastline. Challenge yourself to a rock-climbing adventure, scaling the limestone cliffs for breathtaking views. As the sun begins to set, find a spot on the beach and watch as the sky explodes in a riot of colors. Enjoy a delicious seafood dinner at one of the many beachfront restaurants, your toes in the sand. Railay Beach is the perfect place to unwind, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Conclusion: share your dream destinations. So there you have it, a glimpse into the stunning vistas that await you in Thailand. From towering mountains to tranquil lakes, bustling cities to idyllic islands, Thailand has something to offer every traveler. Now, it's your turn. What are some of the most stunning vistas you've experienced on your travels? Share your stories and photos in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to explore more of this beautiful planet we call home. We'd love to hear about your dream destinations, your favorite travel memories, and any tips you have for fellow adventurers.